fucked. These guys are fucked. So we're just on our way to Ramshackleton's to collect rent because it's rent day here at old Ramshackleton's. We stopped in a pig iron, and guess who fucking's here? Hey folks, guess who that is? Right there, look, hold on, I didn't get the shot. Look, right there. Fucking pug sitting at fucking pig irons.
You own shares in this place.
Huh?
I think you own shares in this place.
Holy fuck, no wonder I'm not getting the shot. I got zoomed out so far. So, taking the bike out for a ride, we gotta clean the plugs and get her all going, and fucking, lo and behold, a Princess Auto. His fucking pug, he's here. So, we'll go say hi to him and see what he's doing. Look at this. Huh?
You get that on the movie?
I'm getting a shot.
Did you fuck it up?
No.
His apologies.
He did.
So that's quite the video, yeah.
Did you send the guy I was over to my house, eh? Inspector?
Heard you having some fun. Hey?
Send the inspector to my house? Looks just like you, for fuck's sake.
Yeah.
Is he your brother?
No.
Oh,
You got a safety guy living with you. How can you get fucking inspector in there? Don't you fucking show him his papers?
I tried to tell the bylaw guy, I says, listen,
Yeah.
because the fire dicks are exempt. They can burn whatever they want in the ditch. They can have all the derelict vehicles they want. They're exempt. Bylaws don't apply to them.
Oh.
Right? So I says, bud, I'm fucking running a safety third training course here. I got this fucking guy running around. Fucking, we got people busting their hips and shit at my place and stuff. I mean, we need serious fucking training. I mean, shit's fucking dick.
Jesus Christ. Well, he's got all the certifications, doesn't he?
Well, yeah, he just got his fire certification, but apparently I got to pay $610. So, I mean, it's holy fuck.
Wow.
Expensive course.
Awesome.
That's expensive course. Shit, did I just put something on my...
So we got some new guys today. So Will and his gangster fucking buddies are gonna come work today and try to get some of this roof finished today.
See if we can make them cry.
We're not gonna make him cry, but it's straight up gangsters. This is his posse that's coming in today.
You show them how gangster they are.
Yeah, yesterday was check day in London, Ontario, and we'll see if they show up. Anyways, so
I doubt it.
Matt's gonna meet us at the Home Depot. Hopefully he'll have Gangster Will with him and his buddies.
Hopefully.
Yeah, and today we'll get a little bit of video of one of the jobs we're doing anyways. Old patches out in St. Mary's, and we'll go from there. Where you going? Tim Hortons is that fucking way. Drew, if they like the videos, what should they do?
Rate, comment, subscribe.
Rate, comment, subscribe if you like the video.
If you really like the video, let us know. We'll send Matt over for a little